How to turn off apps permission on App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to turn off apps permission on App Store on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, you will get this type of interface. From here, you will have to scroll down and tap on the option screen time. Alright, from the screen time section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option content and privacy restriction. From here, tap on the option iTunes and App Store purchases. From the section require password, you'll have to choose the options like don't require, and after you choose it, you'll have to back from here, and from the settings section again, you'll have to go the option face ID and passcode. Alright, enter your iPhone passcode. And from the section use face id for, you'll have to just turn off the options like iTunes and App Store, and after you turn it off from here, you'll be able to turn off the ask permission on App Store from your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.